Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful slippers. For this sole, I have a detailed tutorial on how to make this. I'll put the link in the description of this video so you can check it out. So I'm going to start by taking measurements from this leg. You will carry the sole, put it with the finished leg and take your measurements. Just look at how I put it together and try to make sure that you take your measurements and put your stitch markers where you're supposed to put them, just like the way I did here. So for this edge that you are seeing, it's not the same thing with this one here. So for you to get this edge, and just like this one too, I started from the inner side, from here to this side. And on this leg, we are going to start from the outer side here to the inner side here to get that smooth edge. So you are going to tie your slip knot. Remove the stitch marker. Insert your crochet inside the slip knot and pull through. Then you make one single crochet to attach. So we're going to start making chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll make up to 30 and connect it to this side. So I have 30 chains on my hook now, and we're connecting it here. You can see how it will be if you put your shoe last. So you remove your stitch marker, insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through. Then you pull through the 2 loops. So we are going to make single crochet under the chains. So you do 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7 single crochet. So you are going to do up to 30 single crochet. I'll meet at the end. So at the end, this is my 30 single crochet under the chains. You are going to turn it and attach, insert your crochet hook here and attach it. 1. You are going to insert it the second time again in the next loop. Insert, yarn over and pull through. So you pull through 2 again to attach. So you turn your work, skip the first loop, insert your crochet in the second loop and start making a row of 1 single crochet. So you repeat the same to the end. At the end, you insert your crochet hook here to attach. So you insert, yarn over and pull through to 1, insert again, yarn over and pull through, you pull through 2 for the second time. So now we are going to start this sparkle pattern you are seeing. We are going to start bringing out this sparkle pattern. So in the first place here, you are going to insert from behind to make the long single crochet, so you pull through. In the second place, insert your crochet in the front loop, yarn over and pull through. In the third place, insert it behind here in this loop, insert, yarn over and pull through. In the fourth place, insert in the front loop, insert, yarn over and pull through. In the fifth place, insert at the back loop, yarn over and pull through to make the long single crochet. Insert in the front loop to make this short single crochet. So we are going to keep alternating between the long single crochet and the short single crochet. In the front loops, you are going to get the short single crochet, while at the back loop you get the long single crochet. So you are going to keep repeating the same thing, alternating between the long and the short single crochet. That's what we'll keep doing all through. So you repeat the same to the end. At the end, you attach your work in two places. So you insert, yarn over and pull through one. You're going to insert, yarn over and pull through again the second time. So you will turn your work and we'll start another row of single crochet. Always keep the first loop, which is this one, and insert in the second loop. So you keep repeating to the end. So at the end, you are going to attach your work in two places. Insert, yarn over and pull through one. Insert again for the second time, yarn over and pull through two for the second time. So for this row, in front of the long single crochet you did in the previous row, do one short single crochet. And in front of where you did the short single crochet before, do long single crochet. So you insert it behind, yarn over and pull through. In the next, do short single crochet. In the next, do long single crochet. In the next, do short single crochet. Next, do long single crochet. So you are going to keep alternating between long and short single crochet to the end of the row. So you repeat the same thing, short single crochet, long single crochet to the end. So on this leg of the shoe, I have 3 rows of the green color. And here I have completed 3 rows of the green color. So we are going to change the color to this ash color you are seeing. So if you don't know how to change colors, please you pay attention and watch carefully how I'm going to change this color. So you are going to insert, yarn over and pull through with the green color, but you will not finish it up with the green color. So you are going to carry your ash color now. So you are going to finish up with the ash color. So you pull through the 2 loops, then you pull the green color down. Pull it very well. Okay. So you will insert in the second place again. With the ash color, you will yarn over and you pull through, then you pull through the 2 loops. Okay, so you pull the green color again, then you turn your work, and now we're going to start the row of single crochet. Always keep the first loop and start in the second loop. So you repeat the same to the end. At the end, you attach 2 times, like the way we have been doing since. So friends, if you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, because it always helps with the algorithm, and this tutorial will be able to reach so many people. Thank you so much for always being there for me. I appreciate. And leave a comment for me down below if you ever try this design out. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs, I teach beading tutorials, and soon I will also be uploading some leather tutorials, leather shoemaking tutorials. So please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for always being there. I really appreciate. So you repeat to the end. So at the end, I've completed the 3 rows of the ash color and 3 rows of the green color. So if you look at the other leg of this slippers, we also have 3 rows of ash and 3 rows of the green color. So you are going to attach your thread in the last place, cut off and hide the excess. So we are going to make this other side. So you are going to count this space in between. Count 11 loops here and do the same on the other side. So you count and put your stitch marker. I've put my stitch marker already after counting. So we are going to start making the chains. So we'll attach our thread from here to this side. Okay, so you tie your slip knot, remove your stitch marker, insert your crochet hook and pull through, then you make 1 chain. So we are going to make up to 50 chains on this side, and we'll connect it to the other side. So we are going to make 50 single crochet under these 50 chains. So at the end, you are going to attach it 2 times on this side. So here you are going to start making the sparkle pattern again. So you do one short single crochet on the second side, do one long single crochet in the third loop, do one short single crochet in this place, do one short single crochet this place, make one long single crochet. So we are going to do like we did in the front part. So you keep alternating one short single crochet, one long single crochet to the end. So here we have a total of 5 rows. So please you do the 5 rows and I'll meet you at the end. I'm going to meet you at the end of the 5 rows. So you can see I've just finished my 5 rows. I make a slip stitch and hide the excess thread. So I just tried to get the middle of this whole work we did here, and I knitted this single crochet here. So I use 8 loops to get this single crochet, and the length is 8 rows. And here too I put 8 loops here, and I'm going to knit it also into 6 rows. Yes, you make this side to be 6 rows, not 8 rows like the other side there. So you do single crochet in 8 loops here, and when you reach the 6th row you stop. So at the end of the 6th row, slip stitch and cut off your thread, pull through. So you can see how we're going to do it. We will put this iron, and you use your needle and thread, sew the sides, sew all these sides. Yes, these sides, sew all the sides with needle and thread. So guys, at the end, this is how the slippers look. So beautiful. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below if you love this tutorial, and please consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.